Amazon, and oh, it came. Yeah. Oh, I have new brushes. These things look so big. Real techniques. I didn't know that was so big. Let's see what else. This one. Alright, let's open up the next one. You showing the address?
No.
No. And here's my other brushes. Let's see. These are very cute. Makeup brushes. I was in need
I
of
guess
some
all
makeup
this is Avon.
No, it's not Avon. It's from Amazon.
Oh.
It's I received some free money from this app that I use, and I'm able to buy some Amazon products.
Okay, so wait, people. I need to get the box off the floor. Shoot, they empty.
Yeah, there's nothing in
They
the box.
empty.
I took
Oh,
everything
dang it.
out.
Oh, dang it. Margot. My name is Margot. I don't know who's
That's how you
Margot.
open it. Okay, well,
I'm not seeing Dumbo. Okay, so...
we have some more brushes. Wait, wow.
Look at that pink. Look at that pink.
Yes.
Uh,
And we have, this is
oh.
the eyebrow pencil.
Eyebrow pencil. Let me see.
I
Ma,
don't know
look.
what this is.
Paint my eyebrows.
But this is my eyebrow pencil.
I see.
It's a tattoo effect.
Oh, it's for tattoo.
Fine. Tattoo effect. Brow. Okay. The next one
Let's
is.
see.
I think y'all like this one, so I got a lot of brushes that came.
Yeah, baby.
This one here is not a brush.
Maybe makeup. Because you love makeup, but you're learning.
Oh, this is a brush.
Wait.
This the for the inner corner. Of the eye, inner corner
Yeah.
of the eye.
Like where you tap stuff.
That's what this is.
Yeah. Let them see the front.
So, the front of what?
The front of the box. This.
Wow.
Oh. What? Yo. I wish you have a other unicorn set of that, but I wish I could have one. I bet it's one of those thingies, eyeshadow. I bet I'll have eyeshadow in there.
You think so?
James Charles. Just kidding. But it might be eyelid. Yeah, I may be right.
Please stop shaking the table. That's not even funny.
Okay.
Kids. You can't do things around kids because they mess up stuff all the time. All the time. And then they think it's funny. Can you stop laughing? Because it's not even funny.
Look at the colors though.
Not at all.
Anytime when I move my phone, it just reflects different colors.
So, thank you. That is a thank you card.
Thank you. That what the think?
They gave you, this is a $3 coupon
Oh, there's
code
something
on
at the back.
on the back of it, but I'm not gonna show it because I don't want y'all to have my $3 coupon code. I want my own coupon code. So here we go. Oop.
I wish I could have one of those. Oh my god, that actually looks amazing. Oh my god. Hey, say hi, camera. Oh my god, this upsets me. This made me want to do it already. Like, put this on Mom's face. Like I'm a actor. Like, there.
Some pretty colors.
Like, look at the. Some of them
And
are
it's a
glittery.
mirror.
Yeah,
Wow,
shell.
That's pretty cool. Look at Shayla. This is pretty cool.
Look at Mommy's phone.
This is pretty cool. And
Whoa. Look at the wall. It's gonna move. Like, I wish I could do this right now to put it on
pretty
Mommy.
cool.
Oh,
So,
this is getting exciting.
and that's it. Those are all my goodies that came.
No.
today. And
No.
let me see. I think I may have more goodies that may be coming. But these are some,
They should have come today.
maybe. These are some pretty colors.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I do. I have one more. It'll be here tomorrow. I have
No.
another.
Oh,
I know
yeah.
what it is, and I'm not gonna say it because I'll come back on here.
Oh, well, I know what it
Another
is.
video, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. And these are all of my goodies.
All of my goodies.
Pull here.
I thought those were candies, which is goodies, but it's makeup. Makeup,
There we go.
which is not goodies. It's just normal.
There we go.
Woo! 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 Light.
And just put the little makeup right there. The little eyeshadow in the little corner, inner corner. So that's what this brush is for.
Wait, something on there? Or anything like that? Anything
No,
on
there's
there?
nothing on there.
It feels soft.
And then we have
Fill it in.
this brush, which is a small eyeshadow brush.
I do makeup.
It's the Wet n Wild.
Ooh, that feels soft.
So,
Look at that.
these are my favorites. Ooh, I like this brush.
Look how it goes
This-
back.
Yes. Oh, yes. Perfect. Perfect. This is perfect.
Ooh.
Definitely like that brush.
Oh, yes. It's almost the same. Tight. It's tight. Tight. I wonder what's this thing for? That
Oh,
black
no.
thing.
What black thing?
Right there.
It's not black.
Yes, it is.
I just told you it's not black.
Then what is it? Gray something?
It's not. It's white.
No,
Look.
no, not.
Look in there. It's white.
It looks black though, a little bit.
Do it looks white?
Black
Do
and
it-
white.
Do it look white now?
No,
Okay.
I didn't even feel it
It's white.
on my
Okay.
cheeks. Yeah, baby, all of that was good.
Then
And then whatever this junk is.
it's not junk. Kids. It's an eyebrow pencil. And I told you that.
No, I didn't hear you say it.
I did when you were standing over here on this side. Okay, so here it is.
Orgy brown. Something is in there. Oh, it's brown
That's what that
too?
looks like.
Look at that tip. That looked like actually a paintbrush on the tip.
Okay, so yeah, that's what that looks like.
Actually a marker.
I'm sure it is.
Yes. Oh.
That color.
What the?
Nice brown color.
I have some on me.
Goes on that
Look at my hand. Now look at it. Look at it. Wow. Ah. Ooh, it's for the eyebrows to look more bigger.
Okay, and then
Like me. My eyebrows actually look weird.
cause I have
Mommy's eyebrows are already bigger.
these
You already unboxed those.
eyeshadow brushes. They're still in bags. These are pretty soft.
Alright, let me give you some
Oh yeah,
tap tap.
pretty soft. And excuse me. And then this is the blending brush. It actually has the name on it. Blending brush. Okay. This one is
Tap tap
you
tap.
can see it. There you go. This one is the small
Oh
shader.
wow,
This is the small shader. And it's very small.
there you go.
Small. This is
There
the
again.
okay, so
There
this
you go.
one is
Oh, and your cheeks,
small
people.
eyeshadow brush.
There you go.
This is the shader, so it's smaller. And then we have the classic shader. The classic shader. I'm not sure what
Ooh,
the classic shader is for, but
still feel the same.
I can do my research and find out what that is for. That's what that brush looks like. This one right here.
Look at those lips.
The angle detailer. Angle detailer. This is pretty nice.
Oh, mommy's bracelet.
This one here is
I want to. I love those. I love
Pierced shader. That's what that is.
No one can see that because of your hands. There you go. Oh, that tip looks little. But maybe if I zoom in, let's see. Still little.
Shader. So it's like all of these are shaders pretty much. So all of these are shaders. This is the detail pencil. So the detail pencil may be for like when you have eyeshadow. I mean not eyeshadow, the eyeliner down here, and you want to just smudge it just a little bit, or put it on your eyes. That's probably what that is for. Detail pencil. And then we have here is the angled shader. Angled shader.
The hour later was taking so long.
Then that's it. That's all.
Finally, it's raining.
Blue brushes. Blue eyeshadow brushes.
Ma, who
Makeup
painted that?
brushes, basically. I did.
It's raining. It's raining.
That's it.
La 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 la.
Oh my goodness. Okay, check this
Oh
out.
my goodness. Oh yeah. Can't forget that. Really? Oh, that looks like a bath bomb.
Which is when I needed another one, and I got one. And then
You want to see a close-up of this?
we have the blush brush, setting brush,
Ooh, that
Complex.
is mushy.
sponge, expert face detox crease.
This smells nasty.
This is the powder brush.
Oh yeah, powder. Slap them cheeks.
Is this the powder brush? What brush is this? This is the 400.
Oh
yeah.
I'm gonna have a granola bar after
Blending
this.
powder brush evenly for a smooth, natural look. I didn't know this brush was this thing gonna be.
I'm gonna have a granola bar after this.
Oh yeah, it's about right.
Ooh, yeah.
Then I have
Oh,
take these off here.
cheap. Oh,
It's not tape,
what's that?
just some little rubber plastic things.
You.
This one is the
Why you do
crease
that? I'm
brush.
taking it off.
the crease brush.
I'm gonna put. Do you still need it? Do you still need it?
No.
Alright, garbage. Alright, let's see.
The setting
This.
brush. So when I get ready to set, this is
Ooh.
the brush I use to set everything in place. Yeah, everything in place. Powder brush.
There you
for
go.
the face. So this is all for the face.
I think you guys.
To set. And I got some more brushes that's coming too. I got contouring brushes that's coming. This one is the face brush
For the cheeks. This, I guess, for the
for
cheeks
the
too.
foundation brush. I want to say. I'm gonna say 200 firm bristle cream foundation. Yeah, it's for the foundation. This is for the foundation. Foundation
Oh!
brush.
Ow!
Foundation on.
I slapped
Yep.
myself.
So I have all the brushes that I need.
Yo!
Come back in here.
Look at this thing!
Everything.
Look at this thing!
I have a few more items that I
Oh yeah, your cheeks.
And that's everything, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye. I told you! What the? You kidding me?